Hello friends, Marcy here. I started filming a video. Well, I thought I started filming a video. An unboxing, unbagging of my Simply Gilded order that came in today. I ordered it on the weekend. It was shipped on Monday and it arrived in my mailbox on Tuesday. So I just love the speedy shipping service that they have at Simply Gilding. It's amazing. But since I already started, already pulled everything out and opened this, I had to back up when I realized I wasn't recording. So this I'm going to start with here. I did open this bag. This is the mini album and the print is pink and cream plaid. So I did order additional set because when in a previous video, if you saw that, I was using different sticker albums of different colors to be different seasons. And so I have the small and the large in the assortment. And then I ended up needing an additional album because I have, as I was using these seasonal, I had stickers that didn't really fit into a seasonal category. So I ordered the plaid. These are going to hold the extras that can be used at any time of the year or for any occasion, or when you whenever, when you don't need to designate a season. So I did to pop this open and show you what the inside color looks like. It's a beautiful light pink color. It actually reminds me of my Aura Stell cloud that I just recently received. So I'm not going to open this one because it's the same thing inside, just a larger size for speedy sake. And then this one I'm not going to open because I ordered it as a gift and I'll be putting it in the mail tomorrow. But I ordered it as a gift because I already have one and I think it's amazing. It's so soft and just a joy to hold in your hand and, you know, to touch and squish and hold. But I will show you the inside is quilted. And the others, they have the Simply Gilded logo here at the bottom. This one does not because of the quilt pattern. It's moved to the front little pocket there. So the inside's quilted. I have the gold hardware and it has the D-ring in case you want to hang a decorative little bow charm or anything on there. So this one's mine and this one I'm sending off as a gift. So I'm not going to open that one. And this I'm sending off as a gift because I ordered an extra set. So it comes with a gorgeous card, and I believe there's the bunny stickers inside that card. I believe they are in there. But this set is the brew bundle. So let me show you my brew bundle I have here. So it's the coffee with foiled and a floral that's foiled. So I ordered this from Mama. This is the brew bundle. It's going to Mom along with that. And then in this package, we have, I ordered some washi for Mom. I thought I tucked an order in there for myself. Let me see. I'm going to double check. So we have the beautiful journaling card that's foiled. It says, "You are magical." Beautiful color for March, St. Patrick's Day. Okay, so yes, I already have this set. So this is going to Mom. This is a gift. Beautiful foiled bows on floral. This one, okay, I already have this one. So this is going to Mom as a gift. It's just a ribbon and bow and a pastel pink. I actually have that in two colors. I have it in pink and purple or lilac. And then this one I already have. So this is a duplicate, and this is two different color washies on the 5mm size. Those are going to Mama. And then this one is one I do not have. So I ordered this one additionally for me. It's floral and it has a ribbon and a bow. Similar to this, similar to this with the long ribbon in between. And I already have this pen. It's in my Aura Stell. And so I ordered this for Mama for her Aura Stell because she also got the same color in the A5 wide. So these are freebies included in the envelope. And the bow seal, beautiful bow seal, beautiful colors for March. All right, that wraps it up for this package. I really appreciate you for being interested in the content that I do share. And thanks so much for hanging in there with me and watching. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.